Dito ba nga throughout the introduction? Thank you ha, loving husband, loving father. Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. Why ito mo participant? Excited na ito matapos ang GCIT journey ninyo. This is the second to the last talk na matapos na kapunta ninyo ang GCIT journey. So next week, our last topic. So excited na kami matapos. So once again, good afternoon, brothers and sisters. Let me open this talk quoting the letter of St. Paul to the Romans as I quote. Chapter 13, verse 1. Let every person be subject to the governing authorities, for there is no authority except from God, and those that exist have been instituted by God. So what is our aim in this talk? Submission to authority. It is a common word or a common term, submission to authority. This is very important in our community, the ICPP. To provide the participants, like you, brothers and sisters, with the rationale behind submission, and to explain the procedure in resolving disagreements within the community. Again, looking at this picture, in the absence of order, ano sa paglantaw ninyo ma-accomplish nila? Di ba wala? Wala. The wala kid, and looking at the picture, in the absence of authority, in the absence of order, may pakatuan wala ang mga salakyan na harap makita niyo sa picture. Di ba wala? Kaya wala sa order. So brothers and sisters, basta isa dira ang inyong salakyan, basta makita ninyo, basta isa kawudara. So what do we need, brothers and sisters? We need authority. This is a body or a person who has the right to determine policies, directives, and to establish rules to govern the BCBP or any organizations and lead to its members. So every organization, hindi na sa BCBP, even sa mga civic organizations like Rotary, Duanes, other organizations, may harap kita leader, may harap kita ako nag-leads. Another picture. In this picture, I think you are all familiar with basketball. Diba? Ang basketball, we have 12 members per team. So, tanan ng 12 members per team, gusto na nila tanan mahambang. Kasi to show their talents, to show their skills. Ay parang makita nila na talents at skills pagi sa paghambang. So kung wala coach, ano matapos sa 12 players? So tanan siguro makita mo 12 players sa court. Diba? Kung halimbawa, wala referee, siguro makita natin ang court nagarabulanay na siyang sikuhay, subaganay, kay Waising may nag-referee. So, ala na ito, makita natin ang order on authority. Again, in the game of basketball, kung wala sa may nag-referee or may coach, hindi mahumpan, hindi maintindihan ang resulta sa humpan. So, kinahanglan natin ang order of authority. So, if there is authority, there are rules to be implemented. And if there are rules, there are subjects who will follow. And to follow means to submit. What do you mean by submission? Submission is to comply or obey the directions, policies, and rules governing the BCBP and the chapter where he or she belongs. Submission as defined by Anne Dawlish is a state in which people can no longer do what we want to do because they have been brought under the control of someone else. And according to mentor Dr. Sir Strange, you cannot beat a river into submission. You have to surrender to its current and use its power as your own. Siyempre, brothers and sisters, you cannot against current. Hindi natin pwede kaya nun ang current ng tubig, di ba? You have to follow the flow of the current. Gani, brothers and sisters, kung ano ang BCBP culture, BCBP way of life, most especially our culture in the BCBP, hindi natin pwede pagpupun. Because it has been tested this coming July 20, 2024, BCBP is 44 years old na. So meaning, ang system, ang policies na ginapa-implement sa aton sa community, sa BCBP is tested na and proven. So why na kita dapat mag-uhon? Kung tag-o kita sa community, sa BCBP, kung anong kultura sa BCBP, in the future maging leader man kita, hindi natin pwede liwaton or i-change natin ang culture. Kaya inaya-tested na gina. We owe this to our elders. Hindi kita pwede makaka-implement sa akong chapter without the approval of the national kay govern kita sa authority. That is why may kaalisan or organize ang BCBP. So ang tanang na gina-implement nato, there is a chapter, like there is a Rojas chapter, inatanan mandate ina sa national directions. Alin ina sa national direction ng policies. So hindi kita pwede maka-implement sa local chapter, matumato na kita pa-implement na without the approval of the national. So that's why na ang BCBP very organized organization. So submission to authority is a necessity for a healthy society or an organization such as the BCBP. Without authority, there will be chaos and disorder, bringing about disunity and confusion. However, submission does not mean blind service obedience. Again, brothers and sisters, submission does not mean blind service obedience. As in the letter of St. Paul to Titus, chapter 3, verse 1, and I quote, "Remind them to the submissive to rulers and authorities, to be obedient, to be ready for every good work." Again, brothers and sisters, I quote, every good work. Let us look at the picture. Paano habi, halimbawa nakita nyo sa picture na balong ka mo ni chapter head na malumpat ka mo sa creek. Siyempre malumpat, makamukay din. Hamba ni chapter head. Pero, siyempre, mauna sa chapter head, lumpat. Bago ka lumpat. In submission, authority, the leaders, though imperfect, have been placed in that position either by God's direction or permission, and that requires obedience to their authority. And I quote, "Be filled with the Spirit, submitting to one another out of reverence for Christ." So submission is respect to Christ. So brothers and sisters, remember, submission is to respect to Christ. Do you agree, brothers and sisters? Do you agree? Submission is respect to Christ. Okay. And in Ephesians chapter 5 verse 18 to 21, and I quote, "He who refuses to be led will never learn to lead." So, in a very common in Illinois, most especially sa corporate world, in every organization, may ara ang tao na gusto tuduan. Kaya feeling niya maayo na siya lang ang pinakamaayo. Kung ihalimbawa na, kung gano'y bala sa isa ka ido, pag natuto ang isa ka ido, magsunod, pwede niya ilin ang iban pag naman ito. Based example, based on my experience, before ako ng chapter head, I am the member of the governance team of Brother Rex, my former chapter head. So, ginkuha na ko as unit leader. So, katulad, nagasunod lang ako sa iya. Kasi follow ako sa iya na direction as my chapter head. Madamo ako natuto. Damo ako nang sa iya. So, that's why naging chapter head ako. So, palakpakan natin si Brother Rex, thank you. In Proverbs chapter 15 verse 32, if you refuse to learn, you are hurting yourself. If you accept correction, you will become wiser. Among natapos sa ako, brothers and sisters, based on my experience. No? Kay ang mga nag-correct sa ako, even ang nag-trabaho pa ko, isang harap ako sa corporate world, before ako nag-retire, gina-appreciate ko gipirmi ang tao na nag-correct sa akin in positive way. Para maging better kita, maging better person kita. As long ang ginambal sa iyo is positive criticism. Para maging better kapag maging maayo kapag so dapat kabalo kita mamati, kabalo kita accept kung ano atong diferensya for the betterment ng sarili mong self para maging better person kapag at kung sa atong community maging better leader kapag sa community. So gani sa ato in the future sa inyong batch sa DCMP 24 damo diri sa inyong potential leaders. So gani kung ina-groom ka mo as a leader, magpamati, kabalo ka dapat mamati, magsunod, ubig, para maging better leader ka sa community, sa business. It was also mentioned the word obedience to the leaders. Obedience to the leaders in the community such as the BCBP. And what is obedience? Obedience is to say yes to what we are told to do, without complaining, without arguing. So kung ubig ka, dapat huwag ka na dapat reklamo. Huwag ka na dapat i-argue. Kung naman ano man ang for the betterment, or para sa kayuhan, ano ka lang, sunod ka lang. Also, obedience is the key that will help you reach God's promises. As in the same way, you younger men must be obedient to the elders in your relations to one another. Clothe yourselves with humility because God is stern with the arrogant, but to the humble He shows kindness. In Peter chapter 5, verse 5. Brothers and sisters, speaking of the elders in the BCBP, we don't mean the age. Kaya tumutigong siya, elders gusto sa BCBP. No. Kung sino ang nauna sa BCBP, who has been with the BCBP organization more than you are, so meaning, kung mga CLP 24, ang inyo makonsider ng mga elders dito sa community is from CLP 23 to CLP 1. That is your elders. Ang natawag dito sa atin sa community. Hindi nga Even isa si Dudri may matigunan kumpara sa CLP23, pero kung sa ato sa community, elder mo siya sa community. Pilihan ninyo ang ilatawag ni elder sa ato sa community. So kamo naman, ang CLP25, hopefully next year, sa CLP25, kamo naman ang elder sa CLP25. One reason is reaction to previous culture. Most of you are members of the other organization also. Pero kay Butcho, member siya sa Rotary. So hindi na sa PCBP. But each organization has its own culture. So don't expect that the same culture is also existing in PCBP. Hindi ninyo pa i-compare kung member ka mo sa ibang organization like Rotary or even other civic organizations, hindi niyo pag-compare ang culture sa ibang organization sa culture sa PCBP. Just like if you go to Japan, we don't expect that the Japanese will talk to you in Filipino. We have to adapt their language, their culture, because you are in their place. So kung alin ka mo yan sa PCBP, ang culture nyo sa inyo, kung hindi ka mo yan nag-work, kung hindi ka mo yan nag-belong other organizations, hindi nyo yung pagdaloon rin sa PCBP. Ay, mga ka mo. Ay, sa amon ko yan, amon niya. Sa amon ko yan, amon niya. So, hindi nyo pagdaloon rin. And don't compare it. Another reason for resistance is rebelliousness found in the world today. Sa subong panahon, pero di namin nagkakontra, di ba? Pamangkutong pa mga big brothers and sisters, may harap na bala kita naging presidente nga wala may nagkakontra. Di ba wala din? May harap yung may kontrapartido. Ha? Pagtawag ni Marcos, may napunta kay Marcos. Pagtawag ni Pinoy, may napunta kay Pinoy. So, hindi kita malikawan na may nag-critic sa action. May nag-kontra. Isa sino pa nga nag-pungpok ng presidente, may nag-kontra. So, ang tawag naman dali sa PCBP, brothers and sisters, critic ministry. So, wala po kami ng ministry sa PCBP, critic ministry. So, ang muna sa mga members na may mga damo komentar, damo reklamo, critic ministry. Ang kung sa ako na yung nananabatian sa buong brothers and sisters. So, I encourage you, brothers and sisters, na hindi ka mo dila mong pa-member, ha? Ha? Ayaw, hindi ka mo dila mong pa-member sa critic ministry. Then another one is false notion of humility. May mga tao diri na pag-itagaan mo sa assignment, habalong kanila hindi nila kaya. Diba? Siguro it depends who is looking the situation. Basta hindi man guro nila kaya or honest lang sila na hindi man nila kaya ang inahatag sila na task. Pero may arapit dyan na tao, kabisan kaya, kay tungkol sa ilang katamaron, tungkol sa ilang di maghatag sa service sa community, ang balong na nila hindi kaya. So di kita na aking si Lord. Or may arap mga tao nga gambal na hindi kaya pero hampo lang sa bala. Pag pa pilit-pilit, pilit-takuan na yan. Diba? So, di kita biraan mga CLP24. Dapat kung approach kita na, brad, sis, pwede ka rin maging service team ka rin, maging part ka sa service team. Yes, kagad. Diba? Anong purpose na ito? Maaari kita sa DCBP, we are here to serve. Sino ang itong servisyohan? Oh. Hindi yung chapter head ng servisyohan, si Lord yung servisyohan. Kasi chapter head, instrumento lang ni Lord. Ha? Then, negative reaction against correction or direction. Negative reaction is also related to pride. May ara kita attitude na hindi kita gusto i-correct. Ito ang bagwagi na, sinatong gusto isipon na kita, may diferensya. Denial ba lang? Pride. Isang kanalato sa pagbubalingon na may sala kita pero deny to death yapon. Na still nag-start yapon isang mali. So pride na. So dapat matuno natin para maging better person pag kita maging better leader pag kita. We always insist kung ano ang gusto natin at kung ano ang tama para sa atin. Then another reason for resistance is to avoid responsibility. So magpaglamat po kina na niya katamaron niya sa tao. Kapag kita na sa'yo diferensya para makasalbar sa responsibilidad. O muna ka, nag-avoid sa responsibility. So, ganit kung kita natin, no, within ourselves, kung wala natin kaya natin, ang isa ka bagay, hindi na kita magpapilit-pilit. Yes. Isa damo pa kung kaisaya, mga multitasking dali. Damo isa community, sa DCBP multitasking, private tasking pa rin. O si Borino, damo ni responsibilidad sa DCBP. The music ministry namin sa makanta. Nakapaka bro, assistant PGL, assistant CYP coordinator, assistant breakfast head. Ano pa gani? O assistant digital pa, o assistant discussion group leader pa isa. O, be like Borino ha, be like Borino. So what is authority in the DCBP? It is a gift of the Lord for unity and direction. Why gift? Why gift kaya hindi man kita tinatagaan sa chance na nagalhin kita pa na? Diba? Diba sa isang chapter, diba? Isang chapter head. So, tanan kita, huwag tinatagaan sa gift na para mag-lead. So para sa ato din sa DCBP, kung ginatagaan kita opportunity na mag-serve, that is gift. So di natin pagpanunumon ng mga makapahat at kabutlay sa aton, burden sa aton, kundi an opportunity to serve. So that is why ginamban natin yung gift. So, Self-24, inisan kayo ka mo na mag-serve kita. Hello, why did you yourself? Tandaan nyo, ada akong pala sa kong witness. After sa nilang culminating ni sa commitment, pwede na rin sila makataan sa service. Manami ato pamatay sa serve. Kita nyo na ang mga nag-serve sa inyo, nag-serve sa phone nyo, nakanta sa inyo every Sunday. Diba? Ara sila. Imbis nga ang time nila, sila pamilya, pero ara sila sarili para mag-serve. So sabi, balos mga mga sa inyo division. Ha? Then it is also a service to lead the group to function as one. So syempre, do you remember the phrase, great power comes from great responsibility. So kung naara kita responsibility or authority, it is a couple with responsibility. So tandaan kita sa ina-permit. Kung naara kita authority, upusin na ang responsibility. So the leader is also responsible to the group. He is responsible to guard the pattern of the life of the member. To to see that our goals in the BCBP are acted on. So ano pala, brothers and sisters, ang goals sa BCBP? To bring Christ into the marketplace and win the marketplace for Christ. Also to solve the problems. Hindi ka malikawanda rin may arang kita problema, no? Even sa atong community, din sa BCBP. May arang na kung may isa is perfect organization. May mga member na nagka-problema. Siyempre, ang ilapalapitan ang leader nila. Kung sino ang gawin sa ila. Kung sino pwede makahatag ng advice at makabulig sa ila. Also, to take care of the person under their care. If you are a leader, you are responsible to the person under your care. It is a two-way relationship. If we care for the person under you, the person in exchange care for the leaders. The head is not necessarily the person who implements all the decisions. That is why may kita hierarchy, yung kung tawag po kita hierarchy. May kita chapter head, then may kita member of the governance. Ako ba laging sa talk ni Brother Chess, Iyas, na-remember niyo, ni Doc Chess. May present niya sa inyo ang atong member of the governance, may atong formation head, mission head, program services head, family life head, digital head, and also we have a unit leaders. So ako na sila ang member of my governance team. Nag-upo sa ako. So hindi lang ako isa. Ang kapatalagan sa BCBP, kundi may ako governance team. So hindi lang ang chapter head ang responsibility to implement the decisions. May ara kita mga tao sa dalog na nagkabuling sa mga decision making. Ang na-mention ko ang ako ng governance. So brothers and sisters, ang pangayuon ko sa inyo is to pray for me as your chapter head and also to all the leaders of BCBP. Ang among decision making, ang among judgment, tama. So, pangayuan nato, pangayuan na sa community. Like for example, I don't know kung nag-attend na sila sa atong Holy Rosary. Member na sila sa Rosary, hindi na wala pa. So, basi pwede na sila ka-join sa atong Rosary everyday. Na-notice nyo, may ako na mga gikubra ang prayer. Prayer for selection of the chapter head for Rojas City Chapter. Okay, for your information, brothers and sisters, this is my last year. Last term ko yun as chapter head of Rojas City Chapter. So, pinapanganguyuan sa Bidong community ang maliit naman sa atong community for next year. So, every 3 years, nag-apply kita sa chapter head. So, this is my last year. So, kamo ang ako na last na 2024 under my term as chapter head. Then, if there is authority, what is the mission? It is to obey directives, policies, and rules established by the BCBP leadership. It is also to cooperate and assist the leadership of the BCBP. That is why what I am saying that there should be a two-way relationship within the BCBP, the leaders and the members. To be involved if required, to respectfully disagree with their leadership's position. Kung kaisa din ako, nakatabugin na sa atong community sa BCBP, kung kaisa din ako nagustuhan ng atong leaders, niharagin na kung kaisa. With that, it doesn't mean that you have to accept it. Kung kaisa may harap pagid na may ginahatag sa atong mga posisyon, hindi atong magustuhan. So, pwede kita istorya sa leader na nag-assign sa aton. Pwede kita kabalibad, but in a good manner. We respect our leaders. Pero, as far as I don't know, as a member of this community, hindi man nato guro ang leader, hindi man guro mag-recommend sa imo kung kita yan hindi mo man kaya. So, kita yan man nga kaya mo, that is why recommend ka niya. So, kung kayo sa may mga sitwasyon namin nga. But you could disagree in taking up the position but be respectful to the leaders. Hindi kita dapat makawala o binastos. We should respect our leaders always. To be open to correction and admonishment in what relates to the BCBP culture. Amo galing ang isa, no, brothers and sisters, we should avoid pride sa ato sa community. The leaders and the members at the subject to corrections kung may aragid man i-correct. Ang leaders pwede man akong correct. Caring and support for the leaders. As I said, the leaders is not the only ones to care for the members. The members should also care for the leaders para harmonious ang atong relationship. Hindi na permi ng leaders ang care sa members, kundi dapat ang members i-care man ninyo ang leader para harmonious ang atong relationship. So what is the character of submission to authority? It is a personal relationship between the members and the leader. Note the word personal relationship. It's not employee relationship. You are not compensated in this organization, brothers and sisters. Why kita diri sa Mexico? Kung kayo sa nagagasto pa kita. Gagasto kita for the love of Jesus. Leaders and the general membership must be led by the Holy Spirit and must have a love as their primary objective. The leader care for his flock as he must care, cooperate, and support the leader. Lead by the Holy Spirit. Amo na gani pa sa sisters, whenever we have an activity or a meeting, we start and end with a prayer. So, ginapangabuhin din natin dali sa community, sa BCBP, ang pagpangabuyo. Mapalaan nyo na in the future during your commitment rights. Dira na discuss. So, ang pagpangabuyo dali na-encourage is, no, na tanan na meron kita prayer time. Siguro na discussion na nasa mga previous topics. Ako na ganun, every time kung ano ang atong dali na opera, panang na activity sa BCBP. Like for example, before we start our DCLP, may kita novena, 90s novena, para maging successful ang DCLP 24, para guide kita sa Holy Spirit, guide kita sa atong mga plans and actions. Sa community, sa Sugong, Malikawan, may mga disagreements in the community. Paano kung may mga disagreements between the members? The brotherhood is composed of a cross-action section of people with different backgrounds and customs. However, all have something in common. Tanan kita diri sa community, hindi kita same culture na hinahingan. Lain-lain ang ato dinalingan ng kultura. May mga kita ng individual differences. So, pero may ala kita something in common. May ala kita kung kaisa may mga conflicts, but because may ala kita common denomination, which is our common denomination is to love the Lord and all subject to His will. Kaya brothers and sisters, if there are disagreements, it doesn't mean na hindi na masolve ang conflicts. Disagreements are possible without the need to be disagreeable. Ang tanan dali pwede maistoryahan, pwede masettle, at maayos. Because we are guided by the Holy Spirit. Paano naman kung may disagreement between members? In prayer and with humility, we should try to resolve their differences God will provide a solution if both have faith in God's justice. Kung ina-istorya natin ng both parties, you have to start with a prayer para guided kita. So, alalipin mo yung prayer. Ang experience sa hanapin sa mga ayos po mga action group leaders, unit leaders, nga kung may mga problems sa members, kung kayo sa lalim ika-pray over pa na nila. Kung may differences ang members, the parties can avail the service of their action group leaders to mediate the conflict, and if the problems remain unresolved, they can go all the way to UL. UL means unit leader. And the last is to their chapter head. So, kung may mga conflicts, may mga disagreements, ang unang palapitan sa member is action group leader. Kung hindi ma-resolve sa action group leader, hindi niya masetan, masaka siya sa unit leader. Kung di pa ikaya sa unit leader, isetan ang problema, makadto na sa chapter head. Ang last man sa chapter is the chapter head na mag-resolve sa problema. Pero ang idang boundary, if there are disagreements as much as possible, we have to resolve it within the chapter. Ang magaling, kung pwede pa lang, kung may mga conflicts, kung may mga concerns, if possible, ma-settle siya within the chapter. Hindi na makuha sa ato na chapter. Hindi na makakato sa atong RCD, Regional Council Director, hindi na makakato sa our EMD, sa our Area Managing Director, almost all, hindi makakato sa national. Kaya ka daw kung seryoso na gitman, kung di kaya i-resolve sa chapter or di ma-resolve sa chapter head, why kita choice? Hindi pasakain na ito ng problem sa RCG, EMD, and sa national. Kilala naman ninyo siguro itong RCG, our Regional Council Director, si Padre Rex Dibuki from the new chapter, our EMD, Area Managing Director, si Dr. Nathaniel Chan from the past chapter. So, ako na sila ako rin ng mga leaders sa ako na region. So, we have to resolve the conflict in the chapter or within the area bago kita ng pangayo sa outside intervention. In closing, brothers and sisters, so actually this is the second final talk of the BCLP, second to the last. The next is the commitment talk, your last topic for the next week. We have tried to give you an overview of the life and culture of you. You will be expected to live as a BCBP member. It is important that you are fully aware of the life that awaits you in the brotherhood. So that is why ginahambal ko din sa inyo para may aware ka mo kung ano inyong ginakatuan. Pero I hope positive ang inyong acceptance. Kasi after sa toko, karon security discussion starters, hambal ka mo sa inyong DGL at hindi ko mapadayon na mabalik yung disability. Ha? I hope maayo ang inyong acceptance sa ako na ginahambal. Kumbaga, patikim pa lang na. Damo pa kita series of retreats during our formation, new basic formation program. So, damo pa kami i-offer ng series of talks para maintindihan ninyo kung anong gusto. So, brothers and sisters, see you all on your culmination that will be on July 6, 2024. I hope and I pray na kumpleto pa kamo. Brothers and sisters, I hope and I pray na kumpleto pa kamo sa July 6. And advance, congratulations and God bless you all.